feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Hellfire arrows are a potent choice in many combat scenarios, particularly in games or scenarios where high damage output is crucial. Their key feature is the ability to create an area of effect, AoE, damage, which can hit multiple targets at once. This makes them especially useful against groups of enemies or in boss fights where area control is important. However, their effectiveness can vary based on the specific game mechanics and the resistance of enemies to fire-based damage. Always consider your target's weaknesses when selecting ammunition for maximum impact.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.